And welcome back with another video. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Right there, Last Quarter Studios. Let's go ahead, jump into World 9. We are so close to the end, guys. Just 3 more worlds and then we will beat it. Yep, we're back here. If I remember correctly, we have light power. Okay. Just make sure I don't do it too bad. So this is easy. I bet they are thinking that some people would mess up and get it to... Easy. Look at that. Not even any hostile style blocks are being have touched me yet. That almost just changed. Oh. Again. Have to be careful. Perfecto. Whoa. Oh yeah, I haven't been touched yet. And we're already at the checkpoint. Hold up. I don't like this. Good, I shouldn't have liked it. It's like I'm being timed. Man, now I've been hit. Ow! How come this thing's timing it perfectly and hitting me? Oh my gosh! Oh, I got hit. What's this block do? Ooh! All this back and forth had a thing. First she was with her friends, then she wasn't. Then she found them, right after that she lost them. It was a complete mess. Yeah, it is. But she was going to change that. Do you guys think the lasers on the blocks hurt? Maybe we should find out. This is Coyote. Yes, it does burn. It burns. Yeah, I know. Ow. Man, I hate those blocks though. It keeps me from getting up close, which is what I usually do. Oh shoot. Oh, now we're being timed. Oh my gosh. That was funny. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go. It was like, uh-oh. What do I do? Hold up. Ow. Owie. 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 I'm at 1 life, people. We're gonna make sure that all of her friends were safe in here with her. Oh, yeah. I think we've gone crazy, guys. Because based off of our information from the last video, this seems to be like some sort of like mental asylum that they made for each other to make sure they got good mentally. I think we're a bit insane. Cause I ain't no. Oh. I'm not a Matt Pat, but I think I'm understanding it. Oh my gosh! How did I mess that up so bad? They blend in. You have to figure out which ones stand above. Whee! What's that one do? Okay. Oh, so it's just either way you break it, you die, okay. So you don't want to break it. Oh. usually you do want to break stuff with X's on them, because usually that means they have like, up. Okay, I gotta shut up. Whew. Almost timed that. That was absolutely cooked. Okay. Okay. No. That was a bit too close. Whee! Parkour, hardcore. Okay, I don't trust this. I don't like this. See, that is the stuff I don't like. It hurts whenever I break it. I don't like it. Oh, how am I supposed to get up? I'm supposed to get through. This is starting to turn out like a big puzzle game to me. Yay! No. Beagle, I don't have a brain.
I may not have a brain, gentlemen.
Flashbang! Just go for it. She's like, no. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh. It was like an invisible wall. That was unfair. Like, what happened to the X blocks? What? That's dumb. Uh-oh, here comes a hard one. Okay, that was a bit, yeah. This is starting to get tough now. Oh, super jump. Oh. Oh yeah. Vector. Oh yeah. I'm literally Vector, guys. Okay, tip, remind me, okay? Like, dumbass, go do it. Like, remember, okay? Editing me. Very careful instructions. Remind me. Hey, you did remind me! Don't call that as a reminder. Ow. What was I supposed to do? Oh, I understand. I understand. I don't like this. Yay! Capitalism. Yep. Okay. This is... Don't let it... No! I thought I could do it instantly! Whip! No. I hate that. Guys. Door! Me! I don't mind the Aztec sounds whenever this happens. Just listen. Oh, never mind. I thought it was going like. Sorry. Misheard. Oh my gosh! I failed that so miserably. Even I was mad at myself. Okay. I gotta speed. BBs? Ooh, that's a bit close. No. BB Supersonic Racing. BB Supersonic now. BB Okay. Oh wait, one of those blocks were glitched. BB Supersonic Racing. Okay. Not the lasers! Not the lasers! Not the lasers! Get the lasers away! Not the lasers! Ooh, okay. I'm alive, guys. I am alive. Here we go. I don't like... Okay. Door! Someone was in the next world. Okay. Okay, kitty. Let's go find them. She felt a presence. Only one. And it was weak. Okay. Fine, give me the next ability. Fine. I'm trusting it. What? I didn't know I could do that. Since when can I do that? All about ice. Oh, that's cool. Like, her friend was in danger, and she was going to save them. Are we sure they're in danger? Because I wouldn't be in danger if this was what I was dealing with. This seems pretty fun. Whew. Oh yeah. I'm not stopping. We be Supersonic Racing. We be super... Aww. Okay, come on. Oh yeah. Now, where were we? Oh yes. We be supers. Man. We be Supersonic Racing. Blub. Blub. Forgot cats can't breathe underwater. Okay. 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 Ow. Dumb cat. Oh, I keep on forgetting. Okay, come on. Okay, come on, we gotta save our friend. Or at least I think we're saving our friend. I don't know, maybe we actually are just psychos and we're about to murder our best friend. But what are the chances of that, right? Right? Almost just died. No! 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 No, that was so stupid! That was stupid! No! Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Don't mess this up. Kitty. Kitty cat still. No! Okay. Okay. Wait, why am I bubbly? Why am I the shape of a pill? Guys, I'm a pill. Oh, never mind. I'm normal again. No. No. Come on. Okay, come on. I'm underneath the water. Please help me. I'm pill-shaped again. Well, I was. Yay! Where's our friend? I need to find our friend. Oh! Oh yeah. No. Cat is good. Good kitty. Kitty kitty. Okay. Yay! Ow. No. La 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 la. There we go. I don't even need... Okay, yeah. I was like, I don't even... Okay, yeah, I do. No, no, no. Okay, well, I think this is a good note to end it off with. So... see you guys in the next one. Ice Spike Cat is out.